Hey everybody, this is Dave Cooper and we are at the International Builders Show in Las Vegas, Nevada. And I'm staying with Marko from Ecomod. Marko, thanks for coming on today.
Thanks for coming.
It is busy behind us.
Yeah, it's crazy. It is crazy.
Tell us a little bit about what Ecomod is.
So Ecomod it's a new building concept. You know, we were trying to save cost on construction and create a new building method. So we tested different systems and we end up using a shipping container for its structure. So we basically take a shipping container, do all the cutouts, remove the doors, and then we finish the inside and outside.
Okay.
We're 9 times stronger than a typical building, 57% better installation performance. We got a bunch of testing done and we still have testing that's going through, but our lifespan is over 200 years. Coming out of the factory, we're 180 mile an hour wind load, 108 pound snow load. So essentially everything is higher because of that can that we're using to build. And then I didn't like the look of a shipping container, so we basically finished it to look like a regular house. So there's like, you can't even tell what is built.
So how many sections does that unit come in? Is that two sections?
Two 20-foot containers, and that is our smallest unit. It's 320 square feet. And we have ADUs, 3 models, then we have single family homes, duplexes, and apartments.
So is your market ADU? Is it disaster relief? All the above?
Our market is actually affordable housing, so that's what we are. That's where my heart is at. I was a real estate developer for years, and then I could never build affordable. So I created a system where I can build affordable. So we have 20 patent pending claims on this construction method, and our cost per square foot starts at $138 a square foot. But if you want to buy this unit, this ADU is $64,000, which it comes with everything, full kitchen, bathroom.
So everything's set up. And then do you set up when you deliver?
We don't.
We turnkey, or do you?
It's basically it's almost done. You have some stitching and patching to finish when it gets delivered, but I'll say probably 4 hours it'll be ready to go.
Yeah. And how long have you guys been in business now?
Oh, we started a year ago.
You started a year ago, and how's business going for you?
It's been crazy. It's just because there's nothing on the market like this that's as good of a quality for the price. Yeah. And we're in process of setting up our factory in Colorado. It'll be in Hudson, Colorado, and where we're hoping to produce over 1,000 units per year.
So you do have a new factory that's coming online. Yeah. How big is that factory going to be?
It'll be 74,000 square feet.
74,000 square feet. And how big's your team right now?
There's only 8 of us.
8 of you guys? Yeah. Well, you're going to need a lot more than that, it looks like.
This is our first show. We've never done a show before. We've been just going through all the permitting, all the testing, getting the factory set up, and and this was basically our, we already have orders, we have projects that we're working on, but we were like, okay, let's showcase to the world what we can do and build some more affordable housing.
Where did the desire come from to start this?
I wanted to build, I'm an immigrant. I came from Serbia almost 20 years ago, but in Colorado, you can't buy anything. It's so expensive, like $350 square foot. Right. And then if you go to rent an apartment, an apartment this size would cost you $1,400 in Colorado. So about 2 years ago, I was like, I always had this desire to provide housing for people in need. And I always help, with homeless. Like I've been helping with, the Venezuelan population the last couple of years to help house them so they're not sleeping on the streets. And I was like, I need to create a better system that we can build affordable and build on scale, because if, when we build a factory and it's successful, then we can just go and build other factories throughout the country and just provide more housing.
Marko, how do people get a hold of you?
On our website, ecomod.com, ecomodbuild.com. I think that's the best way.
Well, appreciate you taking a few moments with us.
Appreciate it.
There you have it, everybody. We're at the International Builders Show in Las Vegas. If you're not familiar with Ecomod, you should come, because everybody else looks like they're real interested in this. I'm Dave Cooper. Thanks for watching.
Yeah.